everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you feel just fine, and today we'll be checking out the AdaRollers project, as you can see, and on the homepage we have home, giveaways, roadmap, draws, FAQs and Discord, of course, on which you can join them. So yeah, let's get rolling, and this is a collection of 10,000 NFTs based on these and cards minted on the Cardano blockchain. Holders can participate in lucky draws for a chance to be airdropped ADA. So yeah, and as you can see, stage first is sold out, the second stage is coming soon for 22 days. Yeah, and here you can join them on Discord and get on the VIP whitelist to meet and discount price. So yeah, here we have the free lures and the hands, ratitras and whitelist. So yeah, the hands means that each AdaRollers NFT will contain a this hand and a card hand. These hands are similar to poker hands and card hands are similar to blackjack. So yeah, and the rarities is each NFT is generated from 448 different elements with different rarities. There are no two AdaRollers NFTs that will be the same. So yeah, and here we have the whitelist, and join their Discord and follow the steps to be one of 2000 VIP whitelist members in order to secure your AdaRollers NFT at a discounted price. So yeah, here we go, and this information is really important for you. So yeah, let's check the ADA airdrop, $300,000 and up to $200,000 in ADA will be airdropped to holders via AdaRollers lucky draws, where they will randomly roll 5 dice and draw 2 cards. If your AdaRollers NFT matches the dice rolled or the cards drawn, you will win a portion of the ADA allocated for the draw, which will be distributed evenly amongst all holders with the same dice roll or card hand. If both the dice and the cards on your NFT matches the dice rolled and the card drawn for that draw, you have hit the jackpot and you will win an additional $10,000 in ADA on top of the eventually distributed allocated amount for the draw. There will be many draws happening throughout the different drop stages. So yeah, and here we have the more information about 100,000 for 5 of a kind miners and lucky draw game, of course. So yeah, and here we have the roadmap, the plans for the future, and here we have the pre-launch. Let's get rolling. Join fellow rollers on your Discord, where they are focused on building a healthy and active community. There will be ongoing giveaways and contests, as well as a chance to become a VIP whitelist member to participate in pre-sales, marketing and preparation. Follow their detailed marketing plan to grow your Discord community and take AdaRollers to the moon. Paid promotions will happen on Twitter, event.com, and of course more, as we can read here. So yeah, stage first is 150 NFTs which have sold out, and VIP whitelist members will be able to mint on ADA and AdaRoll at a discounted price. Check Discord for more information. After the pre-sale, the remaining AdaRollers NFT from the 500 available for stage first will be available to mint by public. So yeah, and here we have the last is floor steps, which means 20% of royalties will be used to sweep the floor. So yeah, and here we have the allocation, and there will be the 10,000 total supply. 100 will be reserved for giveaways and promotions. Roadmap is subject to change. So yeah, and here we have more information about the project. They frequently ask questions. And what is AdaRollers? AdaRollers are 10,000 unique NFTs minted on Cardano with a special utility that allows you to win ADA, of course. So yeah, let's check maybe this question. What is the policy ID? and here we have the policy ID. Or for example, where can I buy an AdaRollers NFT? AdaRollers NFT will only be available to mint from. Here we have the website. Do not send ADA to anyone on Twitter or on any other platform unless you are purchasing the NFT after it has been sold from AdaRollers. So yeah, it's really important information, of course. And here we have, for example, which crypto wallet should I use? To purchase an AdaRollers NFT, you must only use a Cardano wallet such as Dedicals, Yoroi, or Adelaide. Do not use an exchange wallet to purchase an AdaRollers NFT. If you use an exchange wallet like Coinbase or Binance, you will not receive the NFT because those wallets are not supported. So yeah. And here we have the websites on which you can join them, and on Twitter, Instagram, and of course join the Discord. So yeah, let's check maybe more information about the project, the draws. Here we have that, and for example, draw first is starts on December 3rd, 2021 on 11 a.m. So yeah, this is have already started. So here we have the draw second, draw third, which starts every on December 3rd, and here we have that. And for example, the draw 10th starts on December 7th, 2021 on 11 a.m. Of course, I think this is all about that project. Let me know what do you think about that in comments, of course, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.